Hello friend, I'm Samadi back to the new tutorial video regarding soil mechanics.
Today, this is the video introduction of compaction chapter. Okay, so in this video basically we will discuss what is compaction, how it is occur, and what is the exactly concept, because many people have doubt between compaction and consolidation. Okay, so basically we'll talk about these main 3 points, and lastly we'll talk about what is its significance. So if you have no doubt, then you can skip this video, but if you want to learn something new, then definitely thank you for clicking and for watch the video till the end, because watch the video till the end, brush up your concept, enrich your knowledge. If you are new in my channel, subscribe the channel, press the bell icon for never miss an update. So without further delay, we'll start. What is compaction? So basically, before starting compaction, in my last session we'll talk about permeability, then seepage, then shear strength, then effective stress. Okay, so from effective stress we'll see effective stress sigma dash equal to total stress minus pore water pressure. So from this equation we can easily understood that if pore water pressure is less, then effective stress is high, and from this effective stress we'll know in shear stress tau equal to C plus sigma dash tan phi. So that means if pore water pressure is less, effective stress is high, sigma tan theta is high, tau is the high value. Okay, so now question is that we understood that reduction of water is good for increasing effective stress as well as increasing shear strength of soil. But how we reduce? We know that soil is your three-phase system, जहाँ पे you will find air, then you find water, then soil solid. Okay, so this pore water reduction करने के लिए first you have to reduction air, then you reduction water. Firstly we reduction air and same volume, either we increase the solid or increase the water. Then after reduction air we'll reduction water and try to increase solid. So first our aim is reduction air, and second motto is reduction water. ठीक है? Basically in a layman language, reduction of air, that is known as compaction, and reduction of water known as consolidation, right? So what is compaction? Now reduction of air. So this point is complete. And point number 2, how and what is the concept? How this is happening? So same, I will draw again the three-phase diagram. This is the air, this is your water, and this is soil solid. हम क्या करेंगे? हम तो we cannot touch the air, we can feel the air, can't touch. तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? हम ये करेंगे, हम बाहर से वाटर इनपुट करेंगे एंड वाटर ग्रेजुअली इंक्रीज करेंगे और एयर बाहर हो जाएंगे। ये भी कर सकते हैं, हम थोड़ा वाटर इंक्रीज करेंगे, थोड़ा सॉइल सॉलिड भी इंक्रीज करेंगे, तो ये जो पूरा का पूरा लेवल है ये थोड़ा ऊपर आएंगे, तो ऐसे भी एयर बाहर हो सकता है। सो ये एक्चुअल तरीका है। फ्रॉम दिस style we'll do compaction, and now we'll talk about what is the actual concept. Concept is, मान लो फिर मैं ड्रॉ वही का चीज ड्रॉ कर रहा हूं, एयर वाटर सॉइल सॉलिड। सॉइल सॉलिड है आपका मान लो 80, वाटर है 15, एयर है 5%। Compaction. What is compaction? The word compact means dense. Dense of what? Dense of soil solid. हम यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे ना, एयर को हम निकाल देंगे। कैसे ना, वाटर अप्लाई करके। तो मैं जितना वाटर अप्लाई करेंगे तब क्या होगा, जब जितना वाटर अप्लाई करेंगे तो वाटर थोड़ा अप्लाई करने के बाद ऐसा होगा, उसके बाद ऐसा होगा, उसके बाद पूरा का पूरा सैचुरेटेड हो जाएंगे। तो जब पूरा का पूरा वाटर भर जाएंगे तब क्या होगा, पिक्चर कुछ ऐसा होंगे, वाटर एंड सॉइल सॉलिड। तो जब ऐसे बन जाएंगे तब हम क्या करेंगे, इसका बल्क डेंसिटी विल फाइंड। डेफिनेटली बल्क डेंसिटी से हम क्या करेंगे, हम ड्राई डेंसिटी फाइंड कर सकते हैं। कैसे करेंगे वो बाद में आएंगे, कर सकते हैं ना, वो फॉर्मूला था ना, उस फॉर्मूला से। सो ग्रेजुअली ये बल्क डेंसिटी में वाटर करने जितना इंक्रीज होगा, बल्क डेंसिटी उतना इंक्रीज होंगे, और बल्क डेंसिटी जितना इंक्रीज होंगे, ड्राई डेंसिटी उतना इंक्रीज करेंगे। बट देयर इज वन बट, after a particular point of increase of water content, again dry density start to decrease. So we will have to find out what is the particular water content जहाँ पे dry density maximum होंगे। तो ये पूरा का पूरा कंसेप्ट है, और ये चीज हम सीखेंगे टेस्ट में। Okay, so this is a very basic introductory video of compaction, जहाँ पे हमने बात किया है what is your compaction, how this happen, what is the concept and significance. Yeah, because without doing compaction you cannot start consolidation. That is the main significant, or you can say why compaction is necessity. Without compaction you cannot start consolidation. That is the main thing. I hope there will be no doubt. If there is any kind of doubt, maybe it's a silly doubt, it's maybe important doubt, without any kind of hesitation, do comment in comment section. I will definitely get back to you. And if you have learned something new, then don't forget to like the video, share the video. Your like inspires me to make such kind of beautiful content for you.
Still, if you are watching my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for never miss an update, because I am coming with this types of video almost every day. Thank you for watching this video. More knowledge, more opportunity.